Hello, wise warrior women. Here we are. Welcome. This is a safe, compassionate, supportive unity. This is a place for women who have survived traumas like childhood abuse, sexual violation, addictions, negative self-beliefs. Yes, these systems can be changed. It's a matter of the mind, and we can work together to help find our way home. Our true selves, the feminine essence. Together we will gain deeper understanding in the self-knowledge, personal transparency, and accept our responsibility, the accountability to claim our worth. As we rise up out of shame and guilt. This is an action-based community that seeks solutions and accepts personal responsibility to strive to be our best selves. By practicing self-love, acceptance, compassion, setting goals, and getting more in touch with our innate, loving inner guidance. The 4 pillars of this community are respect, willingness, compassion, and humor. This requires us to be willing, truthful and open-minded as we learn deeper truths about how trauma disconnected us from our truthful essence of love and safety, innocence. This is a judge-free zone, for it is only in the presence of compassion one is able to heal. If you are reading this, hearing this, you are being called to take the challenge and embrace your highest self with a courageous heart and share the wisdom you have gained along this way. Oh yes, from all your hard days. Transform our painful pasts into assets of strength and wisdom. Share the wisdom you have gained. Nothing is more important than one story, and every story matters. There is nothing too big nor too small that should stay hidden. Freedom comes by using our voice and speaking the truth about our youths. This is one of the best ways to take action and claim our worth. Innately, and healing happens when women unite and share the hard truths with a trusted source. And mind you, it needs to be of a trusted source, a compassionate one that maybe has been there and done that and can truly understand, hold the same energetic frequencies that your soul has traveled through. In the silence, we can heal each other. This isn't about advice or blaming or shaming someone other. This is about supporting, listening, breathing, and loving ourselves and our experiences more than ever before. When women unite and support each other with compassion and understanding, we become the strongest force on Mother Earth, becoming more conscious of the feminine essence of forgiveness and wisdom. This requires us to reach out beyond ourselves and our own personal pain to find the strength to overcome our past. To others, seek the truth, and remember that no child should ever be blamed or shamed for any of the negative experiences that happened and that happen all too often in childhood. Now, maybe more than ever, it is time for us to rise up and embrace our true, wise, warrior, woman essence. Yes, we are worth it, and we cannot do it alone. We need you. And I need we. Just as much as we need to breathe, We need to be a supportive community. The wounded are the healers. You've become wounded to heal others. And as we heal ourselves, we can heal the world. Welcome.